Hi there, and welcome to today's product demonstration of PBS Software's product, Archive Add-ons. This innovative tool supports companies who do data archiving in their SAP ERP. It allows them to archive more frequently with peace of mind, ensure easy and unrestricted access to archive data from within their SAP ERP system, and provide users with a solution for analyzing archive data with the familiar transactions, reports, and queries. Let's take a closer look at the use case of PBS Archive Add-ons. If your SAP database is full to the brim, then of course you want to archive mature data to improve your system performance. However, your users still need to analyze the data, and you are concerned that by archiving it, you restrict their access to important information, especially as there is an upcoming tax audit. PBS provides the answer with its Archive Add-ons. This solution guarantees easy and direct access to archive data with transactions, queries, and reports. In fact, users can interact with the data as though it were still in the main database. They can navigate seamlessly through document chains. It does not matter whether a portion of the application data has already been archived or not. It is still just as easily accessible to them as though it were never archived. PBS Archive Add-on solution also contains several options to extract data for audit purposes and to meet legal requirements. PBS Archive Add-ons cover more than 75 SAP archiving objects, and it is available for all major SAP modules. There are hundreds of archive-enabled transactions and programs presently available. Based on a modular concept, customers can select the PBS add-ons which provide the best savings potential for their business needs. The use of the PBS Archive add-ons does not mean changing your standard SAP archiving processes in any way. PBS Archive add-ons builds upon existing processes to improve access to archive data. This integrated, seamless data access is essential to enable SAP customers to run their data archiving much more aggressively. PBS Archive add-ons help to shrink the active database and reduce operation costs significantly. Here is a closer look at how PBS does it. From the ADK files, PBS generates an index, and the archived data is made available in your SAP ECC or S/4HANA system alongside the SAP database data. PBS supports the SAP Archive Link and WebDAF interfaces, as well as SAP Information Lifecycle Management and the rules or access rights defined therein. As you can see, users have full visibility and access to both data sources, the SAP database as well as the archived data, and can run similar transactions and reports as they are already familiar with. In fact, to a user there is no difference in the appearance of normal and archived data. Many organizations use PBS's solutions to support them in reducing data in an SAP ECC system before migrating it to SAP S/4HANA, because archive files are migration-free and thus readable, release-independent, if a customer uses the migration type system conversion. Before we close this product demonstration, let's have a quick look at the end-user experience. First off, in these screenshots, we see how a user accesses the PBS Archive add-on, CFI, via roles in the user menu. Highlighted is the PBS version of the transaction FBL1N, display line items. The /PBS/ in the transaction's name shows us that the transaction is able to read from an archive. Further down in the user menu, there are also additional general tools that are delivered as an inclusion of the PBS Archive add-on product. Next, when navigating through the data, a user has the ability to define which data to display. A combination of database and archive data, database data only, or archive data only. With a mouse click, the user can navigate within the document flow to previous and subsequent documents, even in linked modules. In this results list for PBS FBL1N, a user can easily identify which items have been archived, those that have a small star on the right. They can also drill down further by double-clicking on a line item. This takes them to further assignments, object links, and of course the original document. For over 30 years, PBS has specialized in smart data management solutions. PBS Archive add-ons support you in archiving more frequently, ensuring user access to data and enabling analysis of archived data through transactions, reports, and queries. We are available to answer all your questions. For more information, have a look at the PBS website. That's it for today's product demonstration. Thank you for watching.